Hi Ykies! Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a guide on makeup tips all girls should know. Whether you're a makeup pro or just starting your beauty journey, we've got some interesting tips and tricks to enhance your makeup world. From easy hacks to timeless advice, this is your go-to source for mastering the art of makeup. Let's dive in. Start with clean and hydrated skin. To begin with, start by having clean and well-hydrated skin. Before using any makeup, it's essential to ensure your skin is cleansed and moisturized. Color-correcting concealers. Let's talk about color-correcting concealers and how they can help with different concerns. Peach. Use 4. Neutralizing blue and purple shadows on medium skin tones. Orange/pink. Use 4. Neutralizing dark spots on dark skin tones. Pale pink conceals blue spots on fair skin. Yellow. Use 4. Covering purple or darker shadows on olive or tan skin. Green. Use 4. Hiding redness. Lavender/purple. Use 4. Canceling out yellowness. These color-correcting concealers can be handy for addressing specific concerns based on your skin tone and the issues you want to tackle. Always use primer. Makeup primer is your best friend. It creates an even canvas, helps makeup adhere better, and ensures a long-lasting look. Apply eye makeup before foundation. To avoid fallout, apply your eye makeup first. This way, you won't mess up your foundation when wiping away any pigment that falls under your eyes. Hydration is key. Another useful hack, from now on before purchasing any makeup, make sure it's a hydrating formula. Implementing hydrating formulas with a dewy finish in your routine will make a huge difference. This is especially important for concealer and foundation. Get familiar with adhesive tape. Struggling with winged eyeliner? No worries. Place a small piece of adhesive tape diagonally at the outer corner of your eye before lining. When you're done, remove the tape for a crisp winged look. Differences makeup applicator. Let's talk about different makeup applicators and how to use them. Beauty blender. How to apply. Gently tap and blend foundation or concealer using a tapping motion. Coverage. Starts as medium but can be built up as needed. Kabuki brush. How to apply. Use circular motions for liquid foundation or loose powders. Coverage. Medium to full, depending on your preference. Powder puff. How to apply. Tap pressed powder onto the skin, avoiding rubbing. Coverage. Sheer, but you can build it up for more coverage. Foundation brush. How to apply. Start from the center of your face and brush outwards for liquid foundation. Coverage. Medium to full, depending on how much you apply. Triangle. How to apply. Swipe or tap like a sponge for liquid foundation or concealer. Coverage. Medium, based on your liking. Spatula foundation. How to apply. Put a small amount of foundation on your hand. Gently swipe the spatula across your skin, then blend the edges with a sponge or brush. Coverage. Provides a layer of coverage, concealing blemishes and redness. Be cautious as it might give more foundation than usual, so adjust according to your preference. Layer cream highlighter underneath powder. For extra glow, apply a cream or liquid highlighter underneath your powder highlighter. It gives a stunning radiance without excessive shine. Powder hack. The powder you use also matters. Once you're all done with your makeup, make sure to use a minimal amount of powder. Loose powder is best to use when going over your foundation, and pressed is best for your under eyes. Coat your lashes with primer. Before mascara, use a lash primer to add volume and length. It makes a noticeable difference in your overall eye makeup. Another option, you also can use Vaseline petroleum gel. Apply a lip scrub. For smooth, kissable lips, exfoliate with a lip scrub. Follow up with your favorite lip color for the finishing touch. Start using 2 different concealers. One for correcting concealing and one to brighten up areas. Invest in a good quality makeup tools. Use Triangle Powder Puff we recommended from Trigwell as our favorite ones. The velvet powder so soft will ensure seamless airbrushed makeup. Use an eye cream. If you know your under eyes are dry and crease a lot, get yourself an eye cream, it makes a difference. Trust me. Use a fan makeup brush for highlighter. Highlighter adds a luminous glow, but less is more. Opt for a light touch with a fan makeup brush to avoid going overboard. Mix foundation and highlighter. If your skin tint doesn't have the coverage and you don't want to layer a lot of foundation, then mix it with a cream highlighter. It brings beautiful, radiant, flawless, and glowing finish. Fix your craked. If you have creasing, using a micro-belating cotton bud to remove the concealer from there and press in with your fingers to blend it in to ensure your concealer doesn't collect in these areas. Contouring technique. When putting on your bronzer or contour, remember to apply it on the brush first, not directly on your face. If you apply it straight to your face, it might end up looking uneven, like a muddy patch. Using the brush helps to avoid this and ensures a smoother application. Setting spray. As you go through your makeup routine, keep spraying a dewy setting mist. What this does is melt the makeup back into the skin, making it easier to blend. And there you have it, a collection of makeup tips that every girl should know. We hope these insights make your beauty routine more enjoyable and help you feel even more fabulous. Don't forget to experiment and have fun with your makeup. After all, it's all about expressing yourself. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and until next time, stay beautiful.